Hi guys, I'm calling this recipe Dirty Martini Pimento Cheese, even though there's no alcohol in it. Aww. Start by grating 16 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese along with 7 ounces of horseradish white cheddar cheese. Both of those into a large bowl. Next up, it may sound odd, but I added a half a cup of cottage cheese. Give that all a really good stir. Next up, it was 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Again, give it all a good stir. This is a stirring recipe. Now it's time for the ingredients that make this a martini pimento cheddar cheese. Olives with pimento, give them a good chop. Make sure to drain the liquid first, but save a little bit of that liquid because we're going to use this later. Once you get them nicely chopped up, add those into the cheddar cheeses, and then do the same thing with garlic stuffed olives. Yum! Talk about flavor. Once all the olives are added to the cheese, it's time to add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. We don't need salt in this because the olives are salty enough. And then a little bit of the olive juice, and that's what makes it dirty. Woo! To finish it off, after a bunch more stirring, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey and give it again a big stir. Doesn't this look so good? And let me tell you, it tastes amazing. Serve it on cocktail bread as an appetizer and you're good to go. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Get the full printable recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.